Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be, what is the future of this connection? Will you end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will you end up together? Okay, so this person might be your lover, crush, ex, or wife, husband, anybody. Okay, so you are asking to the spirits and angels, so what is the future of this connection, and will you end up together, or will you marry each other? So that is what we will ask the spirits. Okay, we have three piles here. This time I have taken the guidance card as the pile. Okay, you can choose as per the stone or as per the name of the angel or whatever is attracting towards you, then you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile. Okay, then please remember that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Whatever resonates with you, please take it and leave the rest. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me, and also I want to thank for your patience, because I'm not able to put the videos very frequently, but still you are waiting for my readings, and thanks for that. For whoever is new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and I hope I will do more and more good readings so that you will like my readings. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Then without wasting much time, we will start the reading. But if you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment. I like to read your comments, and then only I will know whether you are liking my videos or not. Then also you can post some video topics suggestions, which I will definitely follow. Okay, so that's all I have to say. So we have three piles here. Pile number one, it is black tourmaline, the stone. Then second one, tabular quartz, that is white stone. Then third pile is a Dalmatian jasper. So I don't know what it is actually. So these are the three piles. So you can choose any one of them, and you can pray to the universe and angels, then they will guide you. Okay, without me wasting much time, let us start the reading. So whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. So let us see what is written on this angel guidance card. Read it for you. Do you fear betrayal? Do you feel threatened in some way? Are you surrounded by negative or untrustworthy people? Focus your intention on deflecting the negativity. Know that your angels and spirit guides are watching out for you. And these are the affirmations, friends. Trust me, last Sunday this deck came to my home, and from that time there are many changes, positive changes in my life. So these affirmations are very powerful. I request you all to read the affirmations. Whenever I am saying in the channel, try to take a screenshot or repeat them. I can see the positive results in my life, so I am telling you also. Okay, this is regarding the relationships and social interactions. Everything is improving. Even my professional life, personal life, I can see lot of changes, lot of happiness I can see. Even all the people are kind of attracted towards me, not in a bad way, like friendly way. Okay, all my old friends are remembering me, then we are having get-togethers, parties. In this past 1 week I can see lot of changes. Okay, so please trust my words, and you also start doing these affirmations and try to meditate. Okay, so let us see what is written in this card. Angel of protection. I am safe and sound. I am out of harm's way. All is well. I surrounded myself with trustworthy people. I am blessed. I am always divinely protected. I am enveloped in a sphere of goodness and well being. Okay, so let us see what cards you will get from the tarot. Let's see. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So, what is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Whoever chose this pile number 1, black tourmaline. So, what is the future of their connection? Will they end up together? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. Okay, the Fool. The card is full. Let us pull more cards. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Ace of Moons, 3 of Moons, and 10 of Stars. Okay, let us pull some more cards. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Seven of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. Okay, so these are all the cards we have here. Let us see what are the signs we can see here. So I can see the signs here are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Aries, Leo is strong here. And also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then a few of you will have this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see air signs, then water signs, and the fire signs. Earth signs are very less number of people will have the earth signs. Okay, so what I see here, the answer is, it is kind of not clear, because you will be taking a risk in your life, because you don't know about this person, the person is not clear about you. But still, what I feel, what I am the message I am getting intuitively is, you both will take a risk or take a leap of faith. You will surrender all the doubts, fears to the universe, and you will try to take the leap of faith. You want to take a risk in this connection. Okay, so you left everything in the God, and also you will be praying God, like show us some way, show us some good way, like where to go, how to proceed. So you will be asking the spirits and angels, and definitely I can see you will have a very new beginning, actually, a loving and caring connection, I can say. So you will start again. If suppose if you are not talking to each other, even if you are talking also, you are not able to express your feelings, you are not able to express your love towards that person, but still you will start you will have a new beginning in this connection. Like you will be expressing your love, or that person will be expressing their love, and you both will have some kind of a very understandable relation and connection. Okay, so what I feel here is, it is very sensitive pile, I can say, and you both will not, you don't need to talk to each other. If you see each other's face, then you will understand what the other person is thinking and feeling. Okay, that kind of understanding you will have. And even the other person you are asking also, that person is also very soft spoken, then very emotional, sensitive. Okay, they will definitely want to take care of you. And also I feel that this person is one of your friend. Okay, this person will be in your friend circle, and you will be having get-togethers, meetings, parties. Okay, so you might be meeting each other, but maybe you are not able to say your love, or they are not able to express their love. Okay, that is the situation I can see. And for some of you it might be same sex relationship also. Okay, so there is no offense here. So I feel like that. And for something happened, some tower moment happened, and everything ended very suddenly, unexpectedly. And you are the person, both of you actually, I can see you are very uh, crying, went into depression, then not able to sleep at night. Some people, they have the health issues also, waking up at night and crying. Okay, like a very painful situation. You feel that somebody backstabbed you, that person backstabbed you, and it is very very painful, and you are not able to come out of this depression. Even the same thing is for the other person. What I feel is you are thinking that that other person is not they don't care, like they are like enjoying their life. No, they are also having the same pain as you. Okay, they feel like they want to run and come towards you. They have that much anger also, they have that much impatience also. They are not able to stay away from you. That's what I can see. So definitely they want to come towards you. They want to first they might have a little argument or a fight, but later everything will be resolved. Okay, then this person is having the inner battle, so they don't know what to do, what not to do. Their ego also is there. They are quite defensive. They feel that I have not done anything wrong, then why should I contact this person, or why should I apologize to this person. So that kind of defensive energy I can see. And they are alone. They are not able to say what is happening in their life, what is happening in your life. They are not able to say to anybody else, because they are not sure whether you love them or not. Okay, so that is the reason they are not able to share their pain to anybody. Okay, so and you both are very very independent, and some of you, I can see that you are a single mom or a divorcee. Okay, especially feminine energy, what I feel, it is not specific like you should be a lady only, it is for ladies only. But no, whatever is the feminine energy in this connection. So they might be a single mom or a single dad or a divorcee. Okay, that's what I can see. And this connection, you feel that this is little very difficult connection, you say. So you are feeling that what will I say to the society, what will I say to my children, so what everybody will say. So like that, there are so many different thoughts in your mind. That is why these, even the same thing is happening with that person also. That person is also afraid of the society, what they will say. Even if it is a same gender sex, even the same problem is there for everybody. Okay, so that is the reason you are not able to take any decision. So as of now, I cannot say that you will marry each other, but what I feel is that you will definitely take a leap of faith, and you both will try to work it out. Okay, so there is no marriage card here. So what I feel is you definitely this relationship is not over, this relationship is not ended. So definitely you will take a leap of faith. You will try to contact them, or they will try to contact you, but somehow you both will contact each other. And some it will continue for some time. Maybe you just want to be friends. Maybe after expressing your love to each other, then you will say it is not possible that we both be together, but let us be friends. Okay, that's what the energy I can see. So hope I have clarified your question. Whatever messages I'm getting, I'm giving you the messages. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Okay, let us pull the pile number 2 card. Whoever chose this tabular quartz, okay, this reading is for you. This tabular quartz, let us see what angel guidance is given for you. And one more thing I want to say, friends, whatever the affirmations are given in this guidance card, they are very, very powerful. I request you all, whatever the affirmations are coming into your reading, please try to practice every day for 1 week. As I told you, every week I'll be doing the reading, every week I'll be pulling the affirmation cards, and I request you all to practice every day. Okay, so why I am saying, last Sunday this deck came to my home, and from that time I can see lot of positive changes in my life. What kind of changes I am feeling is like relationships, social interactions, both in my professional life and personal life. I feel lot of positivity. People are attracting towards me, so it is not in a negative way or a bad way, but all my old friends are trying to contact me, then we are having party, then get together. So this is kind of a positive, happy atmosphere is surrounded by me after reading these affirmations. So I request you all also to read the affirmations, take a screenshot and try to read the affirmations, okay, every day. So let's see. Do people listen when you speak? Do you feel like you are not being heard? Tabular quads. Do people listen when you speak? Do you feel like you are not being heard? Know exactly what you wish to communicate. Use telepathy to convey your message through visualization and the imagination. Send mental pictures as you speak heart to heart and mind to mind. Let us see the affirmations. Angel of telepathy. When I speak, people listen and understand what I am expressing. I communicate from my heart to the hearts of others. I easily visualize and send mental pictures of my ideas, visions, opinions, and other matters of importance as I speak. Okay, very nice affirmations. So please try to read every day. Okay. So let us pull cards for you. Let us see what tarot wants to say. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Okay, the Tower. Let us pull more cards. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Let us see. Cards are jumping. Neophyte. Three of Pentacles. Then Four of Swords. Let us pull some more cards. Okay. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. Six of Swords. Four of Cups. And Six of Wands. Okay. So what are the signs I can see here? I can see Aries very strong here, and also I can see actually all the signs are there, but fire signs are very strong here. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then also very few of you might be having the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and some of you will have definitely Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, so what I feel is, what is the future of this connection? So you, something unexpectedly will happen in your life in this connection. Regarding this connection, something will happen unexpectedly. I cannot say whether it is positive or negative, because the tower card came. Tower card is always not always negative. Actually, tower card meaning it is no. The answer will be no. But it, when it is surrounded with the other cards which are little positive, then it is not considered to be a negative card. But something unexpected thing will happen in your life, that is for sure. Okay, so again, the neophyte means this person wants to express their love to you. They are ready actually, so they love you a lot. They have lot of feelings and emotions to you. And some of you, I feel this person might be your husband or a wife or ex. Okay, so somebody you had a long relationship, okay, long term relationship, I can say. So maybe many years of connection. This is not a new thing. This person developed a lot of feelings towards you, and maybe it is not compulsory that you are married only to this person. Maybe you know this person from many years, okay, for some of you. And for some of you, you know this person, but immediately, instantly, you both started get developing the feelings towards each other. And somehow I'm hearing the date as November. So maybe you met this person, or you both started sharing your feelings together, something like that. I can hear the November, the month November is prominent, I can see. So this person wants to come towards you. They want to express their love. They want to pass on some information towards you. If at all they are not talking to you, why they are not talking? They want to express their feelings. Even both of you are in a kind of a very much painful situation. Some people are in shame, I can see. You both are very depressed. Okay, so you both are not happy. Not only you, the other person is also not happy. Like lot of pain, I can see, like somebody backstabbed. You are feeling that that person backstabbed you. That person is feeling you backstabbed them. So this kind of a very depressing feelings you both are having. Maybe you people are having some health issues also. So you both are not able to express your feelings towards each other. I can say the emotionally constipated. So you are not able to express your feelings, they are not able to express their feelings. You both are hiding your feelings, and you both are in pain. Okay, for some of you, you are some hospitalized also, I can see, because of this trauma or this pain. Okay, so this person definitely want to come towards you, and they want to take you forever, somewhere far away from this place wherever you are staying right now. And some of you, I can see, some of you are single parents, single mom or single dad. I can see a child also involved in this relationship, especially one girl child. So definitely this is a long distance. This person want to take you somewhere far away, and your connection is moving to calmer waters, I can see. Maybe lot of turbulence was there earlier, lot of fights or arguments, or a lot of things were there earlier. But right now these things will calm down. Okay, so your relationship will calm down. So you will try to accept the situation. So this person also, definitely they have lot of feelings towards you. They are sensitive also, and they want to take up the responsibility of you and your kid. Okay, so they want to take you away from this place wherever you are staying. So maybe earlier you have proposed them, or they have proposed you, but you people didn't accept the offer. Okay, so you are simply thinking about the past fights, or past people, or past something like your past. So you were not able to accept their love, or the same thing with them. Even they were not able to accept your love, or you have extended your hand for reconciliation, but this person didn't accept that. maybe lot of things involved in this connection, lot of people also I can see here, because lot of people are interfering. They are saying that no, no, this person is not right for you, this person is not right for you. Then this person want to divert their mind. They started some business, they started some new job, so they are learning the things. Okay, their family also involved in this connection, I can see clearly. Some two ladies I can see here. So they are strongly opposing this connection, so that is the reason they are not able to take any decision. But definitely they want to come towards you, they want to have victory in this connection, they want to celebrate, they want to make this connection official. Okay, so I can see up to engagement or live-in relationship, I can see. I cannot see marriage here, but definitely unexpectedly you will both meet each other, meet in the sense reconcile, I can say. So unexpectedly it will happen, and maybe it will go up to the engagement also. It will be publicly, you will say. Some I can say that I can see that this person will say, okay, my family is not agreeing for marriage, but I can't leave you, so let us stay together, let us commit to each other, let us be responsible towards each other. I am there for you, you are there for me. So they want to take you somewhere very far away. So they will make it official, like everybody, whole society knows that you both are together, you both are like a live-in relationship. They want to make it public, and they want to announce it. Okay, so that is what I can feel. So marriage card is not there, but still I can see something unexpectedly unexpected thing will happen, and definitely they want a victory in this connection. Okay, that's all I have for you. File number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this Dalmatian Jasper, this reading is for you. So let us see what guidance card says towards you in this situation. Okay, so before that I want to say one thing, friends. The last Sunday I got this deck, and from last Sunday to today there are a lot of positive changes happened in my life, both professionally and personally. So what I suggest you is you also read these affirmations. Try to take a screenshot or try to listen to the affirmations again and again, because they are very powerful, I feel. Because in within 1 week I can see lot of unexpected positive changes in my life. So I suggest everybody to meditate and read these affirmations. Okay, so let us see what angels want to say. Are you having issues with loyalty? Are you building relationships with trustworthy and reliable people? Are you having issues with being faithful? Take a look at your own level of fidelity and dependability. Make a pledge to be loyal to yourself and others. Let us see the affirmations. Angel of Loyalty. I attract loyal, thoughtful people and situations into my life. I am loyal to my friends and myself. I devote time and energy to building and maintaining meaningful relationships with myself and others. I trust myself fully. Okay, so very nice positive affirmations. So let us see what spirits and angels want to tell you. So what is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Emperor. Very nice, positive, strong card. So let us pull more cards. Okay. What is the future of this connection, and will they end up together? Whoever chose this pile 3, Dalmatian Jasper, will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, Ace of Moons, Three of Moons, and the Burning Tower. So this is resembling the cards are resembling the pile number 1. If you want to see pile number 1, you can see that also. Let us pull more cards. What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? What is the future of this connection? Will they end up together? Okay. King of Wands, Queen of Swords, and Three of Wands. Okay. So the signs I can see here are Aries is very strong here, and I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Virgo I can see, even though card is not there, but intuitively I feel that Virgo and also the Scorpio is there. Then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. These are all the signs I can see, very prominent and strong. Okay, so this person is, your person is a little bit egotistical, okay? So definitely they want to come towards you, they have lot of feelings towards you, because the cups cards are there more, so they want to come towards you definitely. But still they are a little bit prideful and very proud person, I can say, because their background is like that. I mean, this person might be in a very what do you say, authoritative job or a position, maybe chairman, CEO, manager, or police, military. Okay, this person is very in a strong position in their life, and they have done it on their own, like they have worked very hard and they came up to this position. So that is why this person is very prideful, and they don't want to surrender in front of anybody, including you. So sometimes I feel that this person is little bit controlling and narcissistic also, because the Emperor card is there. But definitely he is the King of Kings, very positive and a very powerful person. Okay, but the problem is they are not able to come towards you, they are not able to express their feelings towards you. But definitely there is something unexpected thing happened between you. You both are separated in a very bad manner. Okay, suddenly everything collapsed within no time. So that is why you both have this feeling of why should I talk to them, and they also feel that why should I talk. So who will talk first? This is kind of a competition I can see here, because both of you are very strong people. And also I can see whoever is a viewer, they may be single mother, okay, divorcee or widower, I can see. The same thing came in pile number 1 also. Please see pile number 1 also, okay. So they definitely, they will have a, you both will have a new beginning in this connection. You are feeling that this connection is already ended because of the Tower card. So you are feeling that this connection is already ended, nothing is there, nothing remaining. So you are you moved on to your life, they moved on to their life, you both are living separately. But this person, whoever is you are asking about, this person didn't forget you. So they are checking on your social media, they are asking your mutual friends, because I can see you both are friends. Okay, so this person is in your friend circle only, you know this person from your childhood maybe, or for some of you I can feel the same sex relationship also. And this person is very passionate towards you, kind of a devil energy I feel, because this person is not able to sleep at night, they are constantly thinking about you, they are looking at your pictures. Okay, then they are remembering the things happened between you, maybe the conversations, maybe telephonic conversations or normal conversations, or you met each other in a party or a function, or you both work together in an office. So they are reminiscing all the past, and this person is not able to come towards you because they are far away. I feel that many of you, this is a long distance relationship and they want to come very fast, and they want to come towards you. Okay, they are still waiting for the right time, because the three of wands is there. So definitely they are waiting for the right time to contact you, to communicate with you. They feel that you are very very powerful, and this connection is will not go anywhere. That's what they feel, because they feel it is very very difficult. Maybe as I told you already, you are single mom or dad, or divorcee, widower. So the same thing with the other person also. Maybe they are married and they are into a divorce legal fight battle. Okay, so that is the reason this person is not contacting you. And but they have lot of passion, lot of sexual desires, lot of attraction towards you. So definitely you will have a new beginning in this connection, I can see. But where it will go, that I cannot say that you both will marry together, you will end up together. But definitely this person will communicate towards you, because they have lot of attraction towards you. As I said, it is kind of a obsession, I can say. They are not able to forget you. So even if they moved on, you moved on, but they are not able to forget this relationship, and they are not able to forget you. They are tightly holding your connection, and they are waiting for the right time. So definitely I feel that this is a long distance relationship. Okay, so you have to wait for them. And I'm not saying that you have to wait, you leave everything and wait. But as long as you can wait, definitely it is worth to wait, because this person is very loyal, I can say. They are not kind of a cheat or somebody else, because you have the trust issues. Even the guidance card also says that there is a issue of loyalty and trust issues. But this person is very stable, I can say. They are definitely looking for you. But maybe this is against the society. Maybe their parents or their family is not accepting this connection, or your family is doing that, or the society. For some of you, as I told, it might be same sex relationship also. Okay, so that's all I feel, and that's all the messages I'm getting from this spread. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.